Mpox, public health emergency of international concern. The current Mpox outbreak presents significant challenges, including vaccine accessibility in remote and conflict-affected areas, particularly in the DRC. The re-emergence of Mpox, especially Clade 1 outside Africa, highlights global health security risks, necessitating stronger international collaboration in disease surveillance and response. The World Health Organization, WHO, has declared a new public health emergency of international concern following a significant resurgence of Mpox, formerly known as monkeypox, across several African nations. This decision comes as the virus has spread extensively, with over 14,000 cases reported this year and 524 deaths, highlighting the urgent need for a coordinated global response. Mpox, a viral infection known for causing flu-like symptoms and skin lesions, was first identified in monkeys in the late 1950s and detected in humans in 1970 in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Despite being endemic in parts of Africa, the virus gained global attention in 2022 when it rapidly spread to countries outside of Africa, largely through sexual contact. That outbreak led to a previous peak declaration in July 2022, which was later lifted in May 2023 after a sustained decline in global cases. The current resurgence has been particularly severe in the DRC, where official figures indicate that over 500 people have died from the virus this year alone. The Africa Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Africa CDC, has also declared a public health emergency, noting that the virus has spread to other African countries, including Burundi, Kenya, Rwanda, and Uganda. Symptoms. Mpox can cause a range of signs and symptoms. While some people have less severe symptoms, others may develop more serious illness and need care in a health facility. Common symptoms of Mpox include a rash which may last for 2 to 4 weeks. This may start with or be followed by fever, headache, muscle aches, back pain, low energy and swollen glands, lymph nodes. The resurgence of Mpox has also seen the emergence of Clade 1, a more virulent strain of the virus, outside of Africa. Sweden recently reported the first case of Clade 1 monkeypox, raising concerns about the potential for a more severe outbreak. Clade 1 is associated with a higher risk of severe disease and mortality compared to Clade 2, which primarily spreads through sexual contact. Clade 1, however, tends to spread more commonly through close household contacts and often affects children. Pakistan said it has detected a case of Mpox virus in the country. Vaccines against Mpox. There are 3 vaccines against Mpox. Many years of research have led to the development of newer and safer vaccines for an eradicated disease called smallpox. 3 of these, MVA2BN, LC16 and Orthopoxvac, have also been approved for prevention of Mpox. Mass vaccination is not currently recommended. The outbreak's economic and social impact strain healthcare resources, disrupt economies, and increase stigma. Lessons from past outbreaks emphasize the need for transparent communication and rapid response. The situation calls for sustained investment in endemic regions, increased screening of international travelers, and public awareness campaigns to prevent further spread and reduce stigma.